Welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, or you can call me Bree, and today I'm going to be unboxing a bag that I just originally got at the outlets in San Marcos, and unfortunately I did not get a box for my bag because it is a bag. But anyways, it is a Jimmy Choo bag, and here is the dust bag it comes in. It's quite big. I've never had a Jimmy Choo item, so it's gonna be interesting to see the quality in the bag, and I didn't expect to splurge on a bag since I recently got my Prada one, but it's okay. It was a good deal. Anyways, opening this bag. Oop. I love the smell of leather. I got this little cute bag. It is beautiful. Jimmy Choo with the little crystalline and belt-like bag. It is a powder pink leather, grainy leather. And then here's the back. And can you open this? Because I have not seen any videos on this bag, so it is my first time seeing how this bag is. I just saw it and I had to get it. And I know I had to get the denim one next time because I really like the denim. But it's just so beautiful. Nice shoulder bag. And then you just open it because it is a magnetic clip. And it just opens like this. And let me just take out all the items. All the little like paper items that are in the bag. Okay, so after taking out all the little paper that was inside, this is what the inside of the bag looks like, and it's really like sturdy. And there is a little like Jimmy Choo like little, how do I explain, but like something to show that it is Jimmy Choo in the inside of the bag. And I love like how it clasps really well, because there are some bags that you have to like push more to like clasp. And I guess these are the authenticity cards, like really plain Jane. It says here cherry shoulder in powder pink soft grainy leather, and then a little pamphlet. Thanks for purchasing Jimmy Choo product. Yeah, it just tells you everything about this bag. Very interesting because I've never had that. There's a little booklet like this come about like what type of leather and material my bag is made out of. Very interesting. And it does come with like a longer strap. So let me take off the paper for the strap. Okay, after taking off the little paper, you can see how it has all of the little loops so you can make your bag shorter. So I do have it on the second shortest one. Might put it on the first, but we'll see. And it is this nice little shoulder bag. Let me show you how it looks on me. This is how it looks. Don't mind the little shorts, sorry. But yeah, very cute bag. Let me know what you guys think and your experience with Jimmy Choo bags, because that is my first time and I'm kind of nervous for the leather because I do have another white leather bag and there is some, I can't remember the word, but a transfer of the blue jean, but I guess that just happens with all bags over time. But yeah, the Jimmy Choo leather with the little crystal in the front. Let me know what you guys think and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.